Hi there, I'm Mike from High Desert Native Plants, and today we're looking at a Febco 825Y backflow preventer on an irrigation system at one of my customers' houses. Today the customer called me up and said out of nowhere the backflow started leaking, the backflow device started leaking, and so of course that's causing problems, wasting water. It's not supposed to be doing that, and we're going to troubleshoot what's going on. I'm thinking here that the problem with this leaking backflow preventer is being caused by some debris that is inside of the check valves. The way these backflow preventers work is water comes in from this side, it goes through a check valve here, then it goes down through another check valve, and those two check valve assemblies prevent water from the irrigation system from getting back into the main. Inside of here, there's a gasket and a diaphragm with on a spring, and so sometimes what happens is these things get some debris in them, and it causes them to wedge open a little bit, and that's what might cause this leaking. I'm just going to use a simple adjustable crescent wrench here and get on here. I need to make sure I close the valves off first, prevent the water from going in, and we might get a little wet here, but we're just gonna open this bad boy up real quick, like that. So yeah, I can see that there's some particles of some debris, some calcium buildup maybe. There's the little seat in there. There's looks like a little dead bug or something. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. The whole thing looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looking deep on the inside there where the gasket seats, it looks like it's in good shape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this guy back together. Did it? Just double check that again. And this is the fun part. Okay, so we're gonna get this snug and secure, but we're not gonna wrench it down real tight. So that's snug, but it's not too tight. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. All right, there we go. I don't kind of worry about dropping it and hurting yourself or hurting the parts. So here we go. We're going to inspect this. It's got a nice smooth gasket there. Everything looks like it's in good condition. We got the O-ring there, looks good. Spring's in good condition. I'm gonna reach in there and feel around on that. Feels pretty good. I'll go ahead and flow some water through it. Rinse anything out that might be in there. And then I'm just gonna put it all back together. Okay, so we got our Febco 825Y RP backflow preventer fixed up here. We took apart these check valves on each side, cleaned them out a little bit, flushed water through them, and now let's give it a shot and see if it stopped leaking. We're gonna open up the inlet water valve and then the outlet water valve and make sure that it's not leaking. I don't see any water coming down here. Looks like we're in good shape. It was probably just that little dead insect or something that was against that seat there that was creating that very small leak on there. So it looks like we're all fixed.